Hey, it's me, and I'm off work today. And you know the storm that was supposed to happen last night? Well, it's here now. It's raining. And there's thunder and lightning. There we go, there's some lightning. And there's the thunder. Wow. Fucking hell, that's loud. It's raining so much. Like 5 seconds ago it wasn't raining at all. There was just thunder and lightning, but now the heavens have opened. I want to see some lightning through it. It's still quite warm though. But it's not a cold storm. Fucking hell! Did you hear that? That is crazy. Like literally a minute ago there was nothing. Oh my god, it's raining so much now. I'm sort of like shielded, and I'm going to put my wrist strap on so I don't drop my camera. I'm shielded in the by the ivy around my window. My window's open. I'm just hanging out of it. As you can tell, he's watching this storm. Wow! Did you see it coming? Did you see the lightning bolt that was over there? I haven't seen a storm for years. I know of. I can remember. There's a storm coming, Harry. Wow. Ah! This is like end of the world shit. Wow, did you see that one? This is cool. Lunchtime. What should I have for my lunch? What do we got? We got some nice. That was my finger. We got some coleslaw. We got some beetroot salad. Yuck. We got some yam. Some ham. We got some quiche. We got some, we got some French saucisson sec with herbs. We got some onion bargees. Whoa, shizer, I just dropped the bacon. I won't have those. What have I got an American accent all of a sudden? What's that? Steak. It's one mini steak. No, I'm joking. That's a mini steak. There's no soda roast, which I had the other day. I can never tell the differences between the roast. I sound like Forrest Gump. My mom always used to say, life's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. Me and Jenny was like peas and carrots. I said that before, haven't I? Okay, let's make some lunch then. Hey, it's me. I'm having my lunch. I was going to say I'm on my lunch. I'm in the staff room, I'm on my lunch. No, I'm not. It's my day off. I'm eating lunch at home. I'm not that sad. Don't go into work just to have lunch. Wait, do I? No. I'm having my lunch. I've got some Taste of Italy quiche, some French saucisson sec with herbs, which I love, some crumbed gammon, some coleslaw, and some canned potatoes with some mayonnaise. All from Prairie Farm. And I've also got a cake, and I'm watching Gilmore Girls. So I'll talk to you later. Hey, it's me. I'm at home and I'm having my dinner. I've got a Chicago Town pizza. Oh damn it, I forgot to put barbecue sauce on it. Oh well. And I've got a Coke down there. Catching up on the old Shaytards vlogs, so that I can get up to date to the modern day. This was from 2009. Oh, it's Christmas 2009. So I'm just getting to the end of that. So I'll talk to you later.